Falgas for engine kiddie rod. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm gonna film this again. Why? Because I just want to do it because I'm starting to really like this ride, and the music's a bit catchy. So why not do this today? Actually, that's a one-off. Everyone else are gonna do one ride only. So let's go. I'm gonna try and make this video 2 minutes, to be honest. Also,
Get ready, we're stepping off.
get him started with Mackley. I mean, I will get off the film, but I don't want the kids to get on it because it's quite busy here, to be honest, today. There's Chase over there. And yes, I already know I filmed him yesterday. I don't know when, actually. I already know, to be honest. Yeah, some signals are a bit squeaky, just to be aware. Yeah, this is the only band flashing. I must say, there's a premiere, guys. A New Year's Eve special, to be honest. I'm thinking. Oh, unbelievable, that's flashing now. That band's flashing now, for some reason. The train's going to be moving. Yeah, Transformers is moving, if you can see. That's it. And also Falgas for Orange and Kiddie right by Falgas.